Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making these incredible transparent labels. You will need paper, a laser printer, a bowl of warm water, scissors, clear tape, and a jar. First, design your label on the computer, and then once you are done, print it out on a laser printer. You can also photocopy your design if you prefer. Once your design is printed out, take some clear packing tape and carefully tape over the design. This tape will give your label its stickiness. Once your design has been taped, then carefully cut it out using your scissors. Then take your label and place it in the bowl of warm water. Let it soak for a while and then gently rub off the paper with your finger. Just be patient. Once all the paper has dissolved, you are left with your clear label. Stick it on whatever you like, and just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own transparent label. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.